earlier on in the week, we had the tragic news that we lost our mother. It was, we'd gone through quite a rough time because it was building up for weeks. She died of a brain tumour. She spent a good couple of weeks in the hospital. They moved her to the Cynthia Spencer Hospice. That was the place she was really happy to be at. It was lovely there, it was tranquil. They had a woodlands where, when we were looking after her, all three of us, we could walk around the woodlands. We talked to other patients. They were lovely, they shared their experiences with us. And, I know everyone says it, but you've got to be have total respect for the people at the hospice because they looked after our mother superbly. And I think today was a brilliant opportunity to give back to the hospice. It's just, I find it unbelievable how the annual cycle event on behalf of the hospice was held 6 days after, and I only come across this event the day after on the internet, and I said I wanted to do it straight away, whatever. Samantha and Holly, they wanted to do it straight away as well. We set up a Just Giving page, and also we had lots of our family join in. We had all our cousins that you saw earlier. It was just a brilliant opportunity. It's been a superb day today. We've raised money on the Just Giving website. And I think our mum would be so proud of us because we've raised money for the hospice, and this is the start of things. Hopefully we'll be doing a lot more charity events on behalf of the hospice in the future.
I think just on the hospice, it was Mum's wishes that she wanted to go. That was where she wanted her last days to be, and at first we couldn't get her in there, and then she was there, and it was just felt so comforting for us that she was looked after so well, and the nurses, they just care immensely. It's more than a job, and they looked after Mum so well. And it was just brilliant for all of us, wasn't it? She was where she wanted to be, and they were brilliant, really lovely.
So we've had the opportunity today, 6 days later, to give back for what they've done for our mum. Like this today was giving back.
The hospice also gave Mum's granddaughters memory boxes and some teddy bears, so I look forward to doing that with the girls so they can treasure Mum for the rest of their lives, and just for the girls to feel that support, because Mum's wishes were for the girls not to see Mum when she was in such an ill state. So it's lovely that they've got that as a treasure for them, keepsake. It was just fantastic how the hospice, they do keep checking on you. We had the chaplain, he came up to see us a couple of times. It's so well ran, it really is. We felt safe for Mum, and it's lovely.
It just seems so many staff there, staff to patients. There's a lot. We've seen so many different nurses there, different support workers. They're all pulling together.
Yeah, they cared so much for Mum, and the main thing was to make sure she was comfortable and that she was never in pain. But then they cared more on how they spoke to her still, and how they spoke to us, and it was just constant. It was you couldn't say anything to improve it, or you couldn't criticise them. It was just, for what was a horrific situation, they were amazing. They really were, so many different ways.
It was spot on. She was at the right place.
That's what she wanted.